Hey guys and girls, welcome back to another beautiful video on this beautiful channel, on this beautiful day. How you guys and girls doing? Hope you're doing great as usual. Today we're gonna make another video in this beautiful game we're making about all this beautiful stuff. But before we get started, please check out the description box as always. Follow me on my support page, Twitter. Drop a like or subscribe if you can. That would be great. Thanks so much for the support to all of you. But let's just get started. So basically the thing that I have right now set up, I had a little issue as well where this update encounter menu wasn't at the bottom, so just make sure you put it at the bottom and that'll be fine. And that's just when you actually have an encounter. I'm gonna remove enemy as E here. Alright, I'm just gonna remove that, and I'm actually gonna make sure that we can only find enemies on empty planes, and there's a little chance that you'll get an enemy there. Alright, so there's a chance, it's not guaranteed. I'm just gonna do that. I'm gonna remove that, boom. And we're gonna go to game state.h, no, travel menu state.h. Let's see, let's open that up. It should be right here. Okay, I'm just gonna remove enemy from here, just like that, and I'm gonna close this down. Now there's gonna be a little randomization thing in empty here, where we're just gonna randomize a little number, and then basically it's just going to, yeah, it's gonna help me out and find and see if we can get an encounter going, right? And then we're gonna fix encounter menu a little bit and all that stuff. So it's gonna be a little short video on just fixing all this stuff. Now we're just gonna make a random thing here. I'm just gonna put some curly braces around this case, all right, like that. And that's because if you want to define variables inside of a case like this, you need to actually put curly braces around it. Okay, so I'm just gonna do int random number equals rand, and it's just gonna be a little, you know, I don't know, 50% chance maybe that we find an enemy. So, or 50, is that too much? Maybe it is, but for now we'll just keep it like this, random number. So let's see, if random number, if it's greater than 0 basically, then we're gonna get an enemy in here. Alright, so we just create this enemy state. Else we're not gonna do anything. So we're just gonna leave the thingy here. Alright, we're just gonna leave all that there. Let's see. If it is greater than 0, maybe I can do a little system pause in here. Empty location. So this is the update encounter menu. Let me just see. Is there any other switch case around here? Now here we go. Here's a little switch case. This is about where we are. So that's a chest. CICH chest, shop, farm, empty, EM, like that. Maybe we'll have one more little letter here so it's a little clearer. And then we'll have, maybe just to make it a little easier, I'm just gonna do that around P, so it makes it a little easier to see where the player is, I guess. And then, yeah, probably. Okay, that should be fine. And then I'm gonna just go ahead and change some stuff in here. So there you go. So, and then I just want to system pause this. System pause that. And I'm gonna just print out system CLS, just clear everything out like this. And wait, I'm just gonna put that above, clear it, I guess pause it as well before. I think it's before, yeah, it should be before. So clear, and then just gonna print out std cout enemy encountered. Alright, boom, easy peasy. And then we'll push the state and then we'll break. Alright, and we'll just break that and no problems. And then once we break it, we should yeah, we should be back up here, and then we should be in that state. So there we go. Now if we're going to combat state.cpp, there are a few things that we need to change. So let's see. We're in the state, we begin the combat. If the enemy is dead, You lost some gold. We need to do this. Set quit true. Alright. And then we need to do the same thing down here. So if we die or something, we'll set quit to true, and then all that stuff will happen. Print menu. If we flee, I do set quit to true. Begin the combat. Heal. That's fine. So cool. Now it will actually quit the state if we die. So let me just make sure everything's fine before we get started. Now if I run this, we'll probably crash and burn. And everything's gonna be ruined. As usual, when you watch my videos, I ruin stuff. But for now it seems fine. Let's just go back. Let's go into start game. Travel menu. Okay. P right there. Okay, I can see where I am. Right. Okay, I'm going right. Okay, empty spot. Enemy encountered. Boom, bruh. Yeah, easy peasy. Alright, I'm gonna kill this noob. You newbie. Oh god, dude. This is some kind of joke. Oh shit, dude. Okay, fine. I died. See how I just died? And then we can just go back. Oh god. Okay. So once you encounter the enemy, if we are in an empty spot, we shouldn't be able to travel if we're dead. But let me just see. Let me heal. Let me see what the problem is. So we're running this, and the enemy died. All right. So if I want to move just out of that empty spot, then that whole thing was still there. Okay. That beautiful option, the choice I had was still in the stream, kind of, and it. Interesting. Very, very interesting. Let's see. Travel menu. And then we're going to go backwards into empty. Enemy encountered. I'm going to flee. And then I'm just going to go out of here. But it's going to do enemy encountered. To flee. -1. 2. Alright. Then I have to go to the right. And then the set quit. Okay, alright, I get it. I think I get it. So we're up here. We are in the switch case right here, empty. Update. So the get choice, if this is location though, the get choice is in state. So that makes sure that, let's go into state here. Get choice. I do return the choice here. Update, it should have been update regular menu right in here. Okay. And update menu right here. So -1 set quit true. If I do that, if I update the menu with -1, set quit true, and then it still goes into update encounter menu, which then runs all this, and actually runs that. I don't want it to do that actually. I want to print the menu. I want to update the encounter menu. Actually, we want to update the. So we update it, and then we update the encounter menu. Sorry, I just gotta think here. And if we quit, we break, we set it to quit. It's gonna go all the way down here. Let's see. So what happens in state again? When we set quit, we set the quit to true. And once quit is true, I guess it just turns it off, right? So in update states, I think. Yeah, I think in game, where I update states, we delete it if it's Yeah, we get quit. So we update the whole thing and then we get quit and we pop it. Okay, alright, I get that. Okay, I get that. So what I want to make sure I do in state.cpp in the travel menu state. Oh, we still got to end the video, so we got to fix this. If it is, let's see, update. So it's encounter menu. So I don't want this encounter to happen. If this get quit equals true, or if this get quit, if it's not get quit, then I want to do all this. Alright, update minimap is fine, doesn't really matter. This is what is important, so we want to print the menu and everything. Okay, so let's just run this one more time before we end the video. There's been a little error checking down here in this video, but sorry about that, but it's important to kind of get that out of the way. So let's start the game. Let's go into travel menu. I'll fix that in the next one, that shit. So let's go down one step. Okay, so I'm down, and then I need to go to the right. Let me go down one more step. Let's go to the right. Okay, so there was nothing there on an empty plane. Right, okay, enemy encountered. I'm fleeing, and then I'm doing -1. Okay, so now it worked, so we didn't trigger that event again. So travel menu, location none. That's weird. We gotta fix that. And go to the right. Go to the right. Okay, enemy encountered. Begin some combat. Okay, it still works. Kind of works. Okay, we're gonna have to fix this in the coming videos. I'll check it out. But until then, thanks for sticking with me. I hope you learned something. I hope we fixed some stuff here. At least made it a little cooler. And made sure the encounters are happening in empty planes instead of just going on to an enemy. Right, they're a little more random now. We can do it so that wherever we go, it can kind of be random, so it doesn't matter where you are. You're just moving around, and it's random when you get an encounter. So so we could do that kind of Final Fantasy style. Yeah, so we'll see how we work with that. But thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking with me. Hope everything is going well for all of you. Please check out the description box again. Follow me on all that stuff. Drop a like, subscribe if you can. Otherwise, just thanks for all the support. All right, and I'll see you guys and girls in the next one. Bye bye.